Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And while I was looking for some information for my previous video, I ran across this page. It's new to me. It's DX History, and it's all kinds of materials and sound bites and everything about the history of DXing. And there's a bunch of books here that you click on some of these links, it'll show you a book. Let me just try to find one that's interesting. Shortwave broadcasting in the Pacific Basin area. Get it right in a minute. So this is an article, 1943, and this is out of Writers Congress. Page 175 is where it starts. And it's an article about what's going on during that time frame. Let's go back. What else we got? Here's something I recognize. Across the Atlantic and Pacific via RCA. RCA was the leading force in non-broadcast shortwave transmissions during the medium's development before World War II. So we'll see what this is. It's a book. Wow, this is old stuff. Where they found this stuff? Well, it said that people contributed these books that they had and they found. Pretty cool. Probably some really interesting stuff here. There's CJRX in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. It's something about that. Let me just click on that quickly. Radio Bulletin, 1929. To shortwave listeners. Wow. Look at that radio. Holy cow. That's actually before my time. Not much. Okay, we'll just try one more. RCA shortwave transmitters. Bob LaRousse has been looking through some of the old issues of RCA broadcasting news that are posted at American Radio History. That website sounds familiar. Let's try it. Yeah, I remember this one. I've showed this a couple of times. All kinds of old magazines and stuff that you can read. This is a great website. This is the AmericaRadioHistory.com. That's a great website. Anyway, I just want to show you this one. This is brand new to me. I don't know how long it's been around, and it goes on and on and on. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Lots of old stuff about broadcasting. Shortwave mainly. Looks like it's mainly shortwave. Let's go back up to the top here. I'll put the link to this. It's called, or the address is ontheshortwaves.com. And I'll put a link to this in the description below this video. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.